Every year, great agencies apply for the Agent for the Future awards and never make it into the winner's circle. The reason isn't that they're not impressive. It's that they just don't tell their story in a way that helps judges see it. This is not a random draw or a box-checking contest. We are looking for the best of the best. That means your application needs to do more than describe your agency. It needs to show what makes your work different, why it matters, and how it's helping shape the future of the independent agency channel. I'm Dale Steinke with Agent for the Future. As part of the Agent for the Future Awards program, I have seen firsthand the kinds of stories and initiatives and results that help applications rise to the top. If you're thinking about applying this year, here's one big thing to remember. Applications usually fall short for one of three reasons. The story's not clear, the impact is not obvious, or the uniqueness of what you've accomplished is missing. So how do you position yourself as a serious contender? First, show what makes you different. Judges see a lot of successful agencies. Strong retention, good customer service, and a dedicated team all matter, but they're also table stakes. The strongest applications show how an agency, emerging leader, or outstanding female principal is pushing beyond the fundamentals. Maybe you built an AI-assisted service workflow that reduced response times. Maybe you launched a video strategy that educates clients and attracts prospects. Perhaps you created a successful talent pipeline, dominated a niche market, or transformed the customer experience. Whatever your story is, judges are looking for the answer to one simple question. What are you doing that truly stands out? Second, do not just claim impact, prove it. Broad statements like we improved efficiency, we enhanced the client experience, or we transformed our operations are a start, but they do not tell the full story. Instead, use evidence. If you improve marketing, explain what changed. Did your strategy generate more inbound leads, increase appointments, improve conversion rates? Did you reduce client intake time, speed up service, or eliminate manual steps? By how much? Quantify it. The more specific you can be, the easier it is for judges to understand the real-world impact of your work. Third, connect people, process, and technology. A common mistake is turning the application into a list of software products. Technology alone rarely wins awards. What matters is what that technology enables. For example, don't just say you implemented a new process. Explain how you redesigned workflows, assigned team ownership, built performance dashboards, and trained employees on new processes. Then show the result: faster service, better visibility, and a more consistent client experience. If you remember one thing, make it this. Do not just tell judges you're doing great work. Show them. Use specific examples, proof points, and metrics that demonstrate real impact. Make it easy for judges to understand three things: what's different, why it matters, and what impact it's had on your success. So before you hit submit, take one more look at your story through that lens. Look, the future does not happen by accident. The agencies shaping it are building intentionally, and your story might be one we get to celebrate this year. Good luck. I look forward to reading your awesome application.